What's up, girls and guys? So, as you can see, we've got our engine out. In this episode, we'll focus on getting the swing arm out, getting the front forks off, and so that we're at a point where we've just got a frame chilling and just a swing arm chilling, so we can send the stuff for powder coating. Yeah. As always, hope you enjoy watching what we're doing. If you like it, don't hesitate to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and smash the bell icon to get notified of further content. Pow!
Oh, let's see. It's a thing. Hang on. This one. This one. Okay. There you go. There it is.
Hit it. Okay, so I made those for lack of having a 24mm Allen key. Cleverly devised a tool like this made out of a bolt and a welded nut so that we can get the swing arm. Oh, fuck! Are you okay?
Fuck!
Are you okay? What happened?
In the fucking eye.
Let's see, is it in your eye?
No, it's fucking hit me right here.
Let's see if it's bleeding.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
Oh, motherfucker!
Jesus, what a Sorry about that, Skitty. Send it. We're looking to take off the forks and also the swing arm. It's already off at the moment because we forgot to do this intro. But yeah, so we want to get it to be just a frame so that we can send the stuff off for powder coating, and then we can start taking a look inside the engine and starting the rebuild there as and where necessary. So hope you guys enjoy. If you are enjoying the series, please don't hesitate to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell icon to get notified of any further content we upload.
I see the light inside you, brighter than the sky.
I was gonna do this. I'm like,
The world in our sight, and I know together we'll be alright. Can you see forever we will go?
Where's the bike? Where's the bike?
the bike is gone, it's disassembled. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and germs.
Okay. Whoa, we need tidy up all.
It's finally disassembled the entire motorcycle.
Okay, now we need to tidy up all this shit here. Put the engine on its box on the stand and then I'll be happy.
One step at a time. As long as the world is turning, I'll be by your side. We'll keep the fire burning. I'll never see you hurt. I'll never see.
As you can see, the chain lube has made this engine look quite lovely and delicious. So, bit of work and degrease to clean that off. And then valve clearance, and just make sure everything else is hundreds and hunky-dory.
For you, I'll go out of my way.
Next thing is you can have it into it.
The main shit is off though.
What can you do? Toothbrush and